Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ubalde official. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up complete Java backend development environment. If you are beginner, a student, or someone who wants to start building a real-world application like websites and systems, this video is for you. Yes, by the end of this video of this tutorial, you will have everything installed and ready to start coding professionally. Part 1, let's understand the basic. So before we start installing anything, let's start understanding some important concepts. So what is an environment? Development environment is a setup on your computer that includes all build, learn, and test software. In simple terms, it is your workspace for programming. See, like this is an Eclipse. The second is what is a Java backend development? Java backend development means using Java to build server-side part of an application. This is the part of that process data, connect to database, handle user requests, and also control logics of the system. For example, when you log into a website, the backend, this is the what checks your username and password. What tools do we need to create a Java backend environment? We need 3 main components. Okay, those 3 main components are what you call a JDK. Second is the ID, or the integrated development environment, and the last one is application server. Without one of these, the application cannot be run. Let me explain each other one before we start to install it. The Java Development Kit is the main tool required to write and run Java programs. It includes the Java compiler and Java runtime environment. Without the JDK, you cannot develop Java application. So, about an IDE. This is integrated development environment. Is a software where you write and manage your code. So it can be Eclipse, IDE, Intel GE, and or NetBeans. Also, those are the 3 main ID. Other can use editors like VS Code, Notepads, but those 2 are not ideal editors. It makes coding easier by providing code suggestion, error detection, project management tools. So, what is application server? Application server is a software that runs your backend application and make it accessible through browser. Examples like Apache, Tomcat, it is the first one we are going to use. Wildfly, it works like a bridge between your codes and users. So, ready to start to install everything from what? From scratch. Yes, from scratch. Yeah. First thing you must do is JDK. As I told you, you must have what? You must have this free software. Yes, 3 software: Apache, Tomcat, Eclipse. We are going to use Eclipse as IDE and JDK. 21 or 17 or 23, but the recommended it is 17, but is also 21, no problem, but 23 sometimes comes with the update. That update can make your conflict in your computer. So let's start, but you must download those setups. Let's open Google Chrome and start download from scratch everything. Yes, don't sign in, skip. Okay, this is our Google Chrome, and we are going to download. We are going to download what? We are going to download a latest JDK. So now let's start our setup. You go on any browser and type Java development kit. Java development kit. Yes, Java development kit, and then press enter. After you click, you come here and on Oracle Corporation, and you click on here. Depends on your internet connection, and wait until it finish to load. Yes. This is, you see the many things here, what and what. So you come here and choose JDK 21. Yes, you click on JDK 21, and then click on you see here, this is the documentation, but you should click direct download. Yes, download, and after download documentation, also we are going to download what? We are going to download our Eclipse also. Eclipse, download Eclipse IDE. This one, eclipse.org. From .org, you click here and download it. And the last is Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat. Download it. Also click download. After download your setups, now we have this file that contains this Apache. I have Tomcat 9.0.113. I have Eclipse 2023, and also I have JDK or Java Development Kit version 21 for Windows. Yes, and now the fact we are going to install JDK. Yes, JDK. You click on JDK, right click, and then click Run as administrator. Yes, Run as administrator. Yes. Okay. After to run as administrator, okay, they told us yes, how we currently have it. I could no problem, but not problem. Should install it. You click yes. Yeah, they removed the old one, and then they click OK. Okay, now the installation wizard, it is popped up. You click here next. Yes, you click next. Then after click next, also click next. You click next. Then wait Java start to install. Then after install, wait at a progress, depends on your computer performance. Yes. Yes. Now the Java TMC development kit successful installed. Yes. Then now you click on close, and what we are going to do now, we are going to set environment variables. Yes, environment variables, environment variables. Then open environment variables. After open environment variable, click on environment variables. Then click on the variables here. Environment variables, now we are going to add variables. We click here, variable name Java underscore home. Then value is path where our JDK is installed. So we click on browse directory, browse file. Click on C and the program files. Yes, program files and Java. Yes, JDK. Then click open. Yes, this file, this is a path, and then click paste this path here. Then click OK. Then click OK. So now we are going to verify if JDK is installed. You click on, you open window plus L and open CMD as administrator, Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Yes, you open your CMD and then type Java type okay, you type Java -version. Yes, you see our Java is JDK is installed. Yes, our JDK is installed. And then to see if compiler is okay, you see Java C. Also you see our Java compiler is 21. Then you exit. So the next one is part 2 to install JDK. JDK, this is an Eclipse. This is what an Eclipse. So you make sure to download this Eclipse. This Eclipse also for 23.9 RR wins at 2.96.44. No need to install. What you do now, you extract. You should download those application from my description. I provide the link. Yes, and this is my Eclipse. Right click and extract all. First of all, extract. Okay, now our Eclipse file have been extracted, and now let's open it and find the application Eclipse a file that is type of application, right click and run as administrator. Yes, run as administrator. Run as administrator. On the first time your ID take long time to start, and what you do here, you click on you pin your Eclipse in order always, because here we will not need to install this ID. This is a portable. You click on pin to start in order always you should run it. Then this is your workspace, but you should also change your workspace depend on your storage where you want, but you should leave it as default and use this as default, and do not ask again. Click on here, tick, yes, you stick on it, and then you click launch. After click on launch, you wait and loading your interface. Yes, okay, wow, our workspace now is ready. Our environment is ready to do what, to start. Yes. And now we are going to install application server. What? Application server. We are going to install application server. We have finished to install. JDK, Eclipse, and now the rest is the Apache Tomcat as application server. Yes, as application server. Also, you right click on it. Right click, run as administrator. Yes. You click next. Yes, next. You click agree. You come here where we see select type of install, choose full, then you click on next. Here server shut down port number, port 8082. You should change those ports as you want, and then connector port like 1990, because in my PC I have XAMPP, and XAMPP also can make a conflict with this. So and then click next. Okay, they told me Tomcat 9. Yes, click next, and then wait until finish to be installed, then click finish. So to check if your server it is running, you open your browser like Edge, yes, Edge or Chrome, and type localhost or localhost this like this, and then you type your port number, yes, your local host with your port number. You will see if you are see this, you have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. You see like this. Yes, this is a configuration. This is a what and what. This means that our 3 tools are installed correctly. Now let's create simple project to test our environment. We are going to create a dynamic web project. Yes, we are going to create dynamic web project. You click on file. Yes, file, and click new. Choose dynamic web project. Yes, wait a moment, and you see a project name, for example, test project. Here you choose your version and click Java services, and oh, so I'm so sorry. Now we are going to insert server. Yes, we must insert our server here. You click on Windows, click on show. You click on server. After click on server, you see here there is a link that say no server available. Click this link to create a new server, and then click new. Then you expand and come here on Apache, and you find here with Tomcat 9.0. Depending on what you have installed, click next, and then click browse to find your server where installed, and click on local disk C, program files, Apache Foundation, and then click on Tomcat. Yes, Tomcat, depends to Tomcat, and then click on next, click on finish. After, yes, let's come back again to create our project new dynamic, and then project name test web app. Then choose this is Java Faces 2.3. Then click next. To prevent the application and necessary files, you delete these, and then add your source folder and click next. Also delete these and remain only web app. Yes, or web content where our HTML files, CSS are there, are replaced, and then click next. Then you click here, type you disable library configuration, and then click on finish. Yes, click on what? Click on finish. After creating our project, now we are going to test our backend, our dynamic web project, but we must start server before. You right click on this server, right click and click on start. Yes, wait, these are starting. It's already port 90, it is already in use. The localhost has encountered the problem. Server port in required by Tomcat at localhost are already in use. How to fix this error? Many people they meet with this error, but it is not end. Now we are going to fix it. Double click on your server. Yes, double click on your server and change temporary change port number and put like okay 1992 and here I put like 8083. Then save, then close. Yes, then close and again start your server again. You see they ask the URL public here. Server now is going to be start. Yes, wait. Allow also. Now our server have been started. Yes, then now in our project we should create like a servlet. Click here, click on Java resources and then source, then let's create like a servlet to test. New servlet com.ubalde.test, then class like test, then click on next, and then click on finish. Now we are going to do what? We are going to test. How to test? Right click on your project and click on run on server. Yes, choose your server. Next, finish. Wait, server is refreshing. Restart server, no problem to restart it. Yes, no problem. This is the HTTP status 404 not found. This is the URL mapping. You come here in your project and then this is your URL mapping. You type here your URL mapping, then press enter. This is means that your project or your setup is now full active. Yes, so now we have successfully set up Java backend development. From here you can start building applications, APIs, enterprise systems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is Ubalde official, education, jobs and technology on your hands. See you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.